will always subside. You know, we all go through things. I've met people that got over their mother passing away. I met people that got over their fathers. I met people that got over bad relationships and bad breakups. See, the problem is, while we have so much problems with getting over certain things, I'm not talking about death. I'm talking about relationships. Is because of the fact that we hold on to the person as being more valuable than ourselves. Let me say that one time, man. The hardest people to move on from relationships are the ones that hold more value to the person than themselves in relationships. This is why they have a hard time moving on. Because they value the person more than they value themselves. No more value in people more than you value yourself. Stop entertaining negative conversations and expecting positive results. My life is getting good because of the fact that all I do is push out positivity. I work on myself every day. I am nowhere near perfect, but I'm nowhere near negative either. I came a long way. And I'm not looking back, because they say if you keep looking back going forward, you're bound to fall. You're going to trip over your own feet walking forward. Sometimes you got to leave what's behind you, because it's time to move on. You cannot keep looking backwards expecting better results. You're stumbling because you keep looking back, looking for something that you think you left. That thing is behind you because it's supposed to be. That relationship is in your rear view because it's supposed to be. Those friends are no longer here anymore because they ain't supposed to be. Because what's meant to be yours will be yours. And that's a fact. You can't make somebody value you who don't value themselves. And that's a fact. When a person don't respect you, it's time to move on.